Unleash the full potential of your contact center by transforming Twilio Flex to perfectly fit your unique operational demands. Twilio Flex isn't just a contact center platform. It's an open, programmable foundation designed for deep customization. It's built on a plugin architecture, meaning you can extend its capabilities and user experience to match your precise needs. First, consider customizing the user interface. You can completely brand your Flex instance by modifying colors, adding custom logos, and rearranging dashboard elements. Create new components or alter existing ones to optimize agent and supervisor workflows for maximum efficiency. Next, adapt the core business logic. This involves tailoring how tasks are routed, defining custom agent states, and implementing unique call flows based on your specific operational requirements. Ensure interactions are handled efficiently and consistently, exactly as your business demands. Furthermore, integrate Flex seamlessly with your existing enterprise systems. Connect to CRMs for immediate customer context, link to ticketing systems for streamlined support, or pull data from your backend databases using its robust API capabilities to unify your operations. The customization process typically involves identifying your specific requirements, developing these extensions using standard web technologies, and then deploying them directly to your Twilio Flex environment. It's an iterative process, allowing for continuous improvement and refinement. By deeply customizing Twilio Flex, you empower your agents, optimize customer journeys, and unlock truly tailored contact center performance. Begin exploring the possibilities today and build the ideal solution for your business.